Chapter once again binomial theorem belongs to mathematics 2a part 38. Last part completed 6th term or 7th term of the x function 1 plus x whole power p by q or 1 minus x whole power minus p by q form. Today discuss once again unexpected 2 marks question, that is exercise 6b Roman number 1 question number 3. Write down the first 3 terms. Write down the first 3 terms in the x function 3 plus 5x whole power minus 7 by 3. First of all, in this x function, any x function, comparing with converted to any x function converted to 1 plus x whole power p by q or 1 minus x whole power p by q, 1 minus x whole power p by q or 1 plus x whole power minus p by q or 1 minus x whole power minus p by q or 1 plus x whole power minus n or 1 minus x whole power minus n. If any x function converted to in this expression any one expression, you get using in this x function formulas already explained previous classes. Right. First of all, what is the x function here? X function is 3 plus 5x whole power minus 7 by 3. In this x function, this x function cannot be in the form of 1 plus x whole power p by q. That's why this expression you can common constant value. What is the constant value here? 3. You can common 3 here. 3 get common 1 plus 5x by 3 whole power minus 7 by 3. After that 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 1 plus 5x by 3 whole power minus 7 by 3. After that you can separate power, this power separated and this power separated. Here this is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus p by q form. What is the formula of 1 plus x whole power p by q? 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. What is the x function? I will write the x function of 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. What is the x function? 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus and so on. This is a x function of 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. This is the x function of 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. Here this x function already explained previous classes. After that here 1 plus x. What is the value of x here? Here value of x what? In this x function, in this suppose this is 1. In equation 1, you can write x value is 5x by 3 and p value is 7 and q value is 3. After that what? Here first term is 3 power minus 7 by 3 is common. You can write 1 plus x whole power minus p by q form. 1 minus p by nothing but 7 by 1 factorial into x by q. X value 5x by 3 by q value is 3 plus p into p plus q. P value is 7, p plus q. P plus q nothing but 7 plus q nothing but 3 by 2 factorial into x by q. X by q nothing but 5x by 3 by 3 whole square minus and so on. This is the first term. This one is the second term. This one is the third term. You can find, write down the first 3 terms. This is the first term, second term, third term. Here enough, you can x function. Suppose you can find fourth term, write down one more term x function. You can find the first 5 terms, you can write one more x function like this by using this formula. After that, here we can write 3 power 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 1 minus 7 by 1 factorial nothing but 1. 7 by 1 into 5x by 3 3s are 9. 5x by 3 3s are 9 plus 7 into 7 plus 3 how much? 10 by 2 factorial nothing but 2 into 5x by 3 3s are 9 whole square minus and so on. After that 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 1 minus 7 5s are how much? 35 by 9 into x plus 2 1s are 2 5s are cancel, 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35, 7 into 5 by 2, 7 into 5 into 5 square value 25 by 9 square value 81 into x square and so on. Once again explain, 2 1s are 2 5s are cancel, 7 into 5, 7 into 5, here 5x whole square nothing but 5 square into x square all by 9 square, 5 square value 25 all by 9 square value is 81, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 35 into 25 how much? 35 into 25. That's why you can write 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 1 minus 35 by 9 into x plus 7 5s are 35, 35 into 25 how much? 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17, 35 2s are 70, 5 7 8. Nothing but 875. This value is 875 by 81 into x square and so on. After that, here this x function multiplied with 3 power minus 7 by 3. 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 1, 3 power minus 7 by 3 minus 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 35 by 9 into x plus here 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 875 by 81 into x square minus and so on. First read the problem. Write down the first 3 terms. First term is this one, second term is this one, third term is this one. Suppose you can find first 4 terms, you can expansion, this expansion extended one more term. You can find fifth term, one more term, like this by using 1 plus x all power minus p by q expansion. That's why you can write first 3 terms. What is the first 3 terms here? First term is 3 power minus 7 by 3, comma. Second term is what? Minus 3 power minus 7 by 3 into 35 by 9 into x minus 3 power minus 7 by 3, 35 by 9 into x. Third term is what here? 3 power minus 7 by 3, 875 by 81 into x square. These are the first 3 terms of the expansion 3 plus 5x all power minus 7 by 3. This problem you can use the expression of 1 plus x all power minus assignment problem or homework problem of previous problem model. These two are homework problems or assignment problems. Here, first read the problem, write down the first 3 terms in the expansion of, first expansion is what here? 2 minus 7x all power minus 3 by 4. First of all, this is converted to 1 minus x all power minus p by q form. That's why here you can common 2. Here 2 is common, 1 minus 7x by 2 all power minus 3 by 4, that's why 2 power minus 3 by 4 into 1 minus 7x by 2 all power minus 3 by 4. Here you can use 1 minus x all power minus p by q formula, already explained previous problem expansion. You can use that expansion, substituted x value 7x by 2, p value 3, q value 4, the total expression multiplied with 2 power minus 3 by 4, like this. After that, second problem. What is the second problem? 8 minus 5x all power 2 by 3. Here also be this expression you can common 8. 8 can be common 1 minus 5x by 8 all power 2 by 3. 8 into 1 minus 5x by 8 all power 2 by 3. This can be written as 8 power 2 by 3 into 1 minus 5x by 8 all power 2 by 3. After that, this 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube all power 2 by 3. 2 cube nothing but 8 all power 2 by 3. 1 minus 5x by 8 all power 2 by 3. Here cube root get cancelled. You get a 2 square. 2 square where how much here? 4. 4 into 1 minus 5x by 8 all power 2 by 3. This is in the form of 1 minus x all power p by q. What is the formula of 1 minus x all power p by q formula? 1 minus x all power p by q, x function is what? 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus and so on. This is the x function of 1 minus x all power p by q. In this x function, you can write in place of x 5x by 8, in place of x 5x by 8, in place of p 2, in place of q 3, in place of p q, in place of q3 substituted in this x function. This is the first term, this one is the second term, this one is the third term. These all terms multiplied with common term. What is the common term here? Common term 4. Here this problem, first problem, second problem, give some hint. By using that hint you get solve total problem, previous problem model. Okay, this is the unexpected 2 marks question in IP examination.